What's up, chess fans? This is Douglas. I'm here on Lichess, about to look at um, some basic tactics. So we looked at some checkmate patterns. So today we're going to be looking at discovered attacks, 46% that I have completed. This is on lichess.org. So if you want to check it out, um, my my name is Z Joker, and yeah. So let's get into it. Discovered attacks. Like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate it. All right. Discovered attacks. All right, so we've done 5 of these, so get a winning position in 3 moves. All right, so right away, seeing this idea, or, just taking this piece, or going here. So I think the best move would be, so there's check, and then still on this line, so I can go to either this one or this spot to pick up one of these rooks or the bishop. I mean, I could take the bishop now, but all right, I'm gonna go here. Check, losing my bishop, but getting his rook. All right, so here we go, 1 for 1. Let's see how we do today. Next one. Okay, so this is protected. Can't get there. Knight can move here. These two would be losing spots. This looks like, if I move there, it's a potential mate threat. So where can the king go? The king can go back. Can't go forward. It can't go to any of these. These are done for the king. All these squares. So, ooh, if I did go here with the knight, and then here, that would be mate. That's a pretty cool mate right there. All right. So, yeah. Here we go. I'm going to give it a try. If you want to pause the video. Boom. Let's go with check. Okay, so he's blocking that. And, well, I don't know, do I want to go here? That's not doing anything. I can't get up to there. Just take it. Yeah. All right, next one, number 3. Okay, I've got some ideas here with the queen. Some type of a double attack. This is protected. Checkmate in 3 moves with this discovered check. So, yeah, that's not going anywhere. And this knight isn't doing anything, or this rook. Okay. So, something to do with here. If I take here, oh, that's losing right there from that knight. So that's not an option. And what about here? Well, the rook would just take it. So that's not an option. And if I go here, the queen's going to take it. But do I want that? Because I'll check him with my bishop if I move my knight. Double check. All right, let's give it a try. If you want to pause the video here, let's go with here. Check. Okay. Now if I move here or here, that's a check. It's not really winning anything. Or then I could go there. Here. G5 or D6. Double check. I like double checks. They can't put anything in front of it either. Kind of a double check. It's kind of cool. And then can't go here. Can't go here. So the mate is, all right. Cool, I like that. It's a cool little mate. All right, 3 for 3. Next one. Okay, I'm playing as black. 3 to 3, no. A bishop, 2 bishops to a bishop and a rook. All right, let's see these tactics. Discovered attack, 1993. Where is it? So with the queen or the bishop? It does not seem like it's with this bishop. This would be losing, and this is losing. So we'll take that off the table. That's out. This bishop, discovered attack. That's losing. That's not doing anything. That's losing. That could be something if I get my pawn up here. No, that would be losing and then a check. A check there. If I went up. Queen. Queen's protecting it, no? Queen ideas. Oh, I see it. All right, this one's pretty cool. All right, if you want to pause the video now. All right. Boom. Sacrificing the queen. Check. And so I get a bishop and the queen. Boom. All right, that was pretty cool. You can still win with 2 bishops. You can still mate them. You cannot mate with 2 knights. I just learned that a couple days ago because of the just because. All right, and one more. Let's see. All right, some trickiness here. Where's the trickiness? Boom, that's check. All right, let's give it a go. Boom, check. And do I want to take? Ooh, boom. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Take care.